people. So how are you? I hope you're doing good, having a beautiful day. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me. Thank you so very much from the bottom of my heart. And whenever you subscribe, please press on the notification bell for more updates. Okay, so in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me, then go ahead and give it a follow. And the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay. So today's pick a card reading is messages from Divine Mother. Okay. So that is going to be the reading for today. And you can pick up from the four. I have kept like 4 elements like water, earth, fire, and air. So just select which element you're attracted to. Okay, so if you're attracted to water, just select that. If you're attracted to earth, select that. So yeah, that is the thing. So I just felt called to put this for you guys. So yeah, that is going to be the reading for today. So the first pile is about water. This is the water element. Okay, for group number 1 it's water element. For group number 2 it's earth element. For group number 3 it's fire, and for group number 4 it's air. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, and which pile you're attracted. If you're attracted, if I feel if you're attracted to 2 piles, just go and watch that also. I don't know why I felt like I never say that, but I felt to say that. Okay, so yeah, so group number 1, group number 2, group number 3, and group number 4. Take your time, relax, let go, call Divine Mother, and then select intuitively. Okay, remember these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And the timestamps will be listed in the description box. Okay, so I'm gonna go with water element. Okay, namaste group number 1. If you chose this water element, let's see what is your messages from Divine Mother. So I heard mudras. I don't know, but mudras, maybe mudras will help you. Okay, something about mudras. Maybe you're doing that. Okay, so I don't have too much information about it. I don't know about it. So if you are interested, take that. If it, you will know if it's your message. So yeah. So with this water element, it's about connecting with your divine self, divine feminine. Okay, I feel like you have been in this divine masculine energy where you have been working a lot, but now it's time to relax. I feel like you have been doing this daily activities every day, like you have been very busy, but now it's like time to relax. Like go out to a beach, connect with yourself, play with water. Like small children like to play with water. You can just connect with water. For some of you, it's like you can manifest using water. Or when you wake up, the first thing you need to do is to take a glass of water. Actually, I do this every day. Just take a glass of water and just say I love you, I love you, I love you like 9 times, and then drink it. It's very good. It makes us feel so good. It makes us feel connected with ourselves. So that's what I feel for you. You need to do that more. You need to say I love you more to yourself. Okay, so let's dive into it. Okay, we have the first card is Karma of Kali, number 38, and it sums up it's 10 number, and we have 1. So yeah, it's like about pleasure. Karma of Kali is about pleasure. Karma in Sanskrit means pleasure. So yeah, it's time to embrace pleasure. It's time to do that good stuff you love. Maybe for some of you, you have been like working too much. It's time to take a break and go out and have fun. To be in the present moment. That is a message from Divine Mother. You have been working, you have been planning ahead, you have been planning for your future, you have been scheduling things, you have been writing things, you have been working. Maybe you have been saving up money. Okay, too much of work, right? And there is no free time. You have been a busy person. For some of you, maybe you even if you have free time, you're the ones who again stresses about their work and plan about their work. You're not the ones who relaxes a lot. You don't take time for yourself. So it's like, take time for yourself, enjoy life. when this oracle comes, it's like it's time for pleasure, it's time for happiness, it's time to seek like good things. What do you love, right? Just going out, relaxing. This oracle is telling you to do that. This is the thing you need to do. You need to connect with your divine feminine, and when we have to connect with the divine feminine, we have to relax, we have to connect with ourselves. Like go out in a beach, relax, meditate, connect with yourself, or just sit with yourself, listen to a good meditation music, put some essential oils, like light some candle, and play a light music, a relaxing music, like you make your space very relaxing, and just sit and just enjoy for at least some time. I feel like this is what this message is for you, to relax, to connect with the water element, to enjoy life. Maybe for some of you, you need to get out, play like children in water. The children's play in water, and it's so enjoying. We enjoy, right? When we play in water, we that is what I feel for you guys. That is what divine mother wants you to know right now. Okay, so clan of the wolf heart, we are the ones we have been waiting for. Again, it's about, look at the lotus. You have lotus here, you have lotus there. So it's about, the lotus grows in muddy environments, right? And when it blooms, it's so beautiful, right? So I feel for many of you, you have been struggling with life. You have been doing a lot of work, and you don't have time for yourself. So divine mother is saying things are going to ease up. You are going to see that pleasure in your life again. You will see that you are going to enjoy life. You're going to have that joyfulness again. Okay, that is what I feel like. And whenever you want help, seek for help. Okay, that is very important. Don't try to do everything by yourself. Seek for help. If you want, if you feel like that you need to get a therapist, just go, talk it out. Don't keep everything inside of you, release it. That is also I'm feeling for you guys. So some of you here just suppress things. You don't talk it out. If you feel something bad about yourself, if you have something to share, you don't share. You just keep it in your heart. And that when we do that, we suppress ourselves, right? So it's time to speak out your truth. It's time to, maybe you have a friend who you can talk to. Just call them, talk to them. Okay, that is very important here. And for some of you, it's like connect with your own self. Talk to yourself. Like, when we are kids, we talk a lot. I feel everyone talks. But I feel you have stopped doing that. Maybe you don't communicate with yourself. Maybe you don't talk to yourself nicely. Maybe that is what you need to do. Talk to yourself more. Look into the mirror. Talk to yourself. Connect with yourself. Look at your body, naked body, and love yourself. I don't know, this is what I feel like. It's like you need to just swim. For some of you, just swim and like release all that fears, all that negativity. Your water will help you with that. Okay, that is what I feel like. Again, you have magic stream. Look at the water element here. Again, we have water here, like water, right? So we cannot control water. Like water is best when it flows. Like that, your life is best when it flows. Don't try to control things. Just flow with it. Sometimes our past is connected to our future, present. Everything is connected. So don't question that why this happened. Everything happens for a reason. So just flow with it. And with this magic stream, I feel you can meditate using water. You can manifest using water. Just use water. Drink. For some of you, it's like you are not drinking enough water. Maybe you need to drink enough water. Okay, that is also I'm feeling. I'm getting this rainbow vibes here. So I feel like it's the time for pleasure. It's time to enjoy life. You have been struggling a bit. Now it's time to listen to your heart. Go with the flow. Don't think too much. Don't over stress about things. When you are in this energy, when you cannot take one day at a time, just go out, relax. Go, if it's possible, go to a beach, relax, enjoy, play with water. That is what it is, I feel for you guys. And look, we have this bird, this white color. I feel a lot of peace is coming into your life. A lot of calmness, a lot of peace. And for some of you, I feel if your work is very hectic, you need to ask help from someone, so you don't have to do everything by yourself. That is also one thing I'm feeling. So it's time for pleasure, it's time to enjoy life, it's time to look in the present moment and enjoy the present moment. That is what it is. And we have, look, we have Wheel of Fortune. So yeah, again we have 10 here, we have 9 here, we have 10 again here, and we have 1 here. So definitely, and we interestingly we have 5 here. So things are changing for you guys, right? Things are not going to be the same, like water, like water just flows, keeps flowing, right? It doesn't you don't have to control it. When it's not good when we control the water, right? So it's important. Life is also like a flow, it has to flow. It's like a cycle. Sometimes we will have to go through some stuff that is not good, and then again things will come into fruition, like seasons. Every time it cannot be a spring season, right? Every time it cannot be an harvest season. So yeah, sometimes you have to you have to put that effort. Sometimes you have to plant the seeds so it can grow, and then you can harvest. So that is the thing with this Wheel of Fortune. You have been doing the work, you have been working. Now it's time to receive. Now it's time to sit quiet. Now it's time to connect with your heart, okay? Because things are shifting for you guys. Now it's time for pleasure, okay? That is what Divine Mother wants you to know. So don't stress too much. Connect with yourself. Take one day at a time. Be in the present moment. Like the water, keep flowing, okay? Use water for meditation. Water element will be very important for some of you don't trust your own self, you don't trust your intuition. So build up that, because a lot of clarity is coming, a lot of messages you are going to receive with this Ace of Swords. A lot of truth is going to come out about, maybe you will be finding something about your own self that you never knew, right? Sometimes that happens. We don't know our own capabilities, and you will understand who you are, what you want. And I feel there is a shift also coming for you guys. So don't worry, because we have Kali Ma here. I'm just like, there is a new start for you guys. A cycle is definitely completing. In this cycle, you are meant to receive. It's the receiving time. I'm feeling like that. It's the receiving time. You have given a lot. Now it's time to receive. It's time to relax. It's time to enjoy. And you have to do it. You will be, I feel universe is giving you that space where you can enjoy. But sometimes we don't do it because we feel like that we have that duty, we have that. So just ask for help. Maybe you can share your work to other people and relax a bit. Maybe you can just take 2 days off and relax and enjoy life. And when you will do that, when you will sit with yourself, you will understand so much things. You will understand about yourself. A lot of truth will be revealed to you, but you need to connect with your intuition more. And don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, okay? Because Kali Ma is with you. Don't be afraid of the future. Don't be afraid of the unknown. Don't think too much about your future. Enjoy your present moment. Because Kali Ma is there. Kali Ma is telling you to face your fears. Yeah, everyone has some sort of fear, right? We fear about our future. We fear whether we will be able to make it. We fear whether we will be able to get that promotion. We fear whether we are capable enough. We fear so many things. We fear other people. We fear useless things sometimes, right? Yeah, maybe we fear because sometimes media puts a lot of fear into us. So maybe for some of you it is important you detox, like do a digital detox where you don't use phone for at least 1 day, where just I feel for you guys it's like just go to a place where you are alone, or maybe you can just go with a friend who you can connect with. Just don't use phone, just like sit quiet, get into that stillness, connect with yourself. If it's possible for 1 day, do it, guys, because I feel like if you cannot go to a place where there is water, you can just go to a place where there are a lot of trees. Or if that is also not possible, as I said, just make your home like that, like play meditation music, light candles, sit with it and release all your fears. What I told, I'm so sorry. Okay, so yeah, yeah, hibiscus, just Google search hibiscus also. And actually Divine Mother, she is the most powerful, right? She comes when we are facing fears, when we are at the lowest. She helps us rise. So don't fear her, call upon her, because the light is here. All you need to is to call upon her and trust her and have faith in yourself and keep moving forward, because it's your chance. It's your chance to receive things. It's your chance to connect with yourself. It's your chance to connect with your own body. It's the time to connect with your own self. It's time to listen to your own heart and just don't control things. Don't try to control things. Let it flow. Let everything flow. Be in the present moment. Okay, because things will go, like life is like a wheel. It turns up, then it turns down, then turns up again, like day and night, right? So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Bye bye, take care. Hello, group number 2. If you chose this earth element, let's see what is for you guys. So with this earth element, I am feeling energy of stability for you guys. Okay, stability is there, but it's not going to be a very fast movement. It's slow but steady. That is what I just felt like it. Slow but steady, because I'm getting Knight of Pentacles energy, where things are going to be very, very stable for you guys. You're going to reach your goals, but it's not going to be very, very, very fast. It's going to be slow, but it will serve you for your highest good. Okay, so let's see what are your cards. Okay, we have 41, number 5. Okay, you look at that fire. We are yeah, you have this fire inside of you. You are the fire. I feel like that with this card. You want to do something. You have a passion right now, but you feel like that your passion is so far ahead that you will not be able to accomplish it. I feel for this pile, you know what you want to do, but at the same time you have this fear of not like, you feel like that you will not be able to achieve your goals, because you feel like that these goals are so far ahead that you will not be able to achieve it. That's why I said things will come to you. It's slow, but it's going to be steady. So just what you need to understand right now is that you have this passion inside of you. And even though you feel like that you're struggling, even though you feel like that things are not happening the way it should be, even though you feel like that you're not going anywhere, remember you have this potential inside of you. Even though you cannot see in the practical world, but it's happening inside of you. You are growing, you are transforming, you are becoming so bold, you're becoming so strong, you are changing, you are transforming from inside, you are becoming more courageous. So don't let that fire go away. Keep that fire within you and move forward towards your goal, and let that fear aside, because Divine Mother wants you to know that you will achieve it one day. Okay, even though it will not be very fast, but definitely it will make you strong. It will transform you, it will change your perspective, and it will make you achieve your goals. You will achieve it, but it's not going to be very, very quick. Okay, so don't lose hope. Have faith and keep that fire inside of you alive, right? Because with fire, it's like, when with fire we cook food, right? Like, we take a raw food and we cook it and we eat it. And so what is happening is we are transforming the food, and this food will nourish our soul. So whatever you want to do, it will transform you. At the same time, it will nourish you. It will, I feel for many of you, you are going to do something, you are planning to do something that is connected to your life purpose or your soul purpose, what your soul is calling to do. So at this point, I feel like that you feel like that, yeah, this is not possible. but my heart wants to do this. I'm very passionate about this. I have this fire inside of me. So keep that fire alive. Divine Mother is saying, keep on moving forward with it, because this will give you success. That is what I feel like. Okay, that is what Divine Mother wants you to know. Okay, with this card. Yeah, way of divine feminine revealed. So what is it? You don't have to stress on what is not working. All you need to do is to connect with the Divine Mother and trust and have faith and keep on working on this thing what you're working on. Okay, so that is what is that a Divine Mother wants you to know at this time. You have this passion. Keep this passion alive. Things are not going to be the same. Yeah, right now I know that things are not working for you guys. Maybe you have been putting a lot of effort because you have this passion. You want to make this happen. You have this goal. Yes, I'm gonna go forward and I'm gonna make this happen. But at the same time, it's not working. You're feeling, oh my God, I have been working so much, but why this is not manifesting for me? And you are looking onto that thing. Your focus is onto that thing, that this is not working, this is not working. So Divine Mother is saying, just take your focus out from that and keep on working, and just give all that fear to the Divine Mother. Connect with the Divine Mother. Okay, so that is what, when you do that, that is when you connect with your own self. That is when you receive the answers. So Divine Mother is saying, nothing is going away from you. You have this passion. You're meant to do this. Keep on working on it, slowly but surely. Okay. Yeah, we have 10 of Wands. Yes, you're very tired. You're very exhausted. You're like, I have this passion. I started it. Now it's weighing me down. What I'm gonna do? Like, why? Now I have been carrying this load. Will I have to carry this load forever? No, you don't have to carry that load forever, because things will be okay. Look, with this 10 again, completion. You will complete. So persevere. Be resilient. Self-determination is important for you guys right now. So the hunger you have, the fire you have, that the passion that you have, keep on. Okay, hang in there. That is what I feel like. Yeah, you will get the justice. The balance will come. You will know. Your spirit guides, your angels will give you the messages. You will, it's like you will receive the success slowly. It's not going to be, yeah, you will have some accomplishments, right? So maybe your goal is too big. Your dream is too big. So take slow. You will get the justice. The karma is going to be balanced, and you will get the justice. So yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, wide open. So keep your oh my God, keep your arms open. Again, we have butterfly. Things are changing. You will get lot of opportunities, lot of things. So don't close yourself off, right? That is very important. And yeah, slow and steady. Again, we have the card slow and steady also. So yeah, that is, oh my God, look at that. What happened? I'm so sorry. Okay, slow and steady. So if you're here and if you have been when you clicked on this video and you have been thinking about your work or your goal that is not working, and you're like, why I am doing this, when this will happen, remember, Divine is with you. Divine Mother is with you. She will give you the success. She will give you the justice. So your hard work will pay off. Nothing is going to be like, if you feel like that I worked for nothing. No, you didn't work for nothing. You worked. You changed yourself. This is like a spiritual transformation for you guys. You're growing spiritually. You're evolving. You're becoming better person, right? So keep this thing alive. This passion of yours alive. Keep this fire inside of you alive and keep on going, guys, because this will give you the happiness you deserve. Slow and steady. It's not going to be very fast paced, as I said, so don't lose hope. And there will be opportunities coming. You will see that a lot of opportunities will come your way. Divine will give you. All you need to do now is to connect with Divine Mother and keep this passion of yours alive. Okay? Again, we have Dharma unfolding. Yeah, for many of you are connecting with your soul purpose, your life purpose. So yeah, your dream is big. For some of you, it's like you need to transform your career. It's like a spiritual transformation. Your ideas, your limited beliefs, it's all transforming. You're becoming a new human being. It's completely different from it's a different way of living, like, right? So it's not the way you were raised. It's something very different. So it's very new, and you're like stressing whether this idea will work out or not. You know, we have rent to pay, we have bills to pay. I'm so sorry with my words, I don't know. Sometimes I'm like I'm so sorry. Okay, so yeah, sometimes you have the bills to pay, you have this financial issues, so it's so you worry about it, and it's, yeah, they know, they understand that, so they're saying just one step at a time, and you will get what you need. You will be given. Okay, that is the thing. What you need, you will be given, but what you want, I don't know about that, but what you need is going, you will be given that. Okay, so that is very important here. So your needs will be fulfilled, and just take one step at a time. Go slow but steady. So because you know, sometimes people, I'm getting this vibe, sometimes people go viral in social media, and then they will be there for like 2 months or 3 months or maximum 1 year, then no one will know them. Right? They will fall down like that only. You're not meant to do that. You're meant to go slow. You're meant to achieve the spot, and then there is no turning back, right? Then you will be there itself. You will be at the top. Okay, so that is the thing. So go slow. You have a life purpose. You have this thing inside of you. So keep on moving forward. Don't lose hope. So this message is like, don't lose hope. Don't lose faith. There are a lot of opportunities that you will get. When one door will close, another will open. You're meant to climb that ladder slowly but surely. Okay, so yeah, that's all for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Number 3, if you chose this fire element, let's see what are the messages from Divine Mother. With this fire energy, I'm getting, maybe for some of you, you can use candle magic. That will work for you guys. Maybe you need to manifest with fire, manifest using fire, because there are so many fire rituals. If you are doing it, keep on working on it. Maybe candle magic will work for you, like lighting a candle, writing your manifestations. Like there are so much different rituals using candles. Maybe you can just light a candle, look into the flame, and manifest, like keep saying your desires. That is what I feel like. That will be very helpful for you guys. Okay, so let's see the first card. You got 2 cards from this Kali deck. You're the only one who got 2 cards. Let's see. We have Kali Yantra, and number 3 is I feel number 3 is going to be very important for you guys. Maybe you're seeing number 333, and it's like you are very connected to Kali Ma. I have to say that when this card comes, it's like Kali Ma is working with you guys. Maybe you work with her, and if you are doing that, yes, she is working with you. She is protecting you. You don't have to worry about your protection at all, because you're very protected. No one can do any harm to you guys. So all you need to do is to listen to your heart, connect with yourself, connect with Kali Ma, and Kali Ma is here with you. She is protecting you guys. You don't have to worry about anything. Okay, so yeah. Okay, with this card, what I feel like, maybe you are an artist. You have a career that is completely different from the society things. Maybe you're healers, maybe you do something from your home. It's a completely different career. Or maybe there were people around you who have discouraged you about this. Maybe they have told you that you're not worthy enough, that you cannot do it. Maybe they told you that you cannot make it, and because of that your self-esteem has little bit shaken. Or maybe there are people, because I feel like that, maybe there are people who are jealous, and maybe you're too much scared about your own protection. So you don't have to get scared about it, because you're completely protected, and you are so intuitive. I feel like that you're so divinely connected to pile number 3. All you need to do is trust yourself, because yes, Kali Ma is with you. Kali Ma, she is releasing all your fears. She is releasing all your doubts. She is helping you right now. So trust her, have faith in yourself, and now you your energy is very, very magnetic right now. So if you have been doing manifestation rituals, you have been like manifesting with candles, if you have been doing different scripting, if you're doing something, that is going to come true. I feel like that, because you are so, your vibration is so high, guys. Very good. Your thoughts, you, even though you feel like that things are not moving the way you want, even you feel like there are people around you who are not encouraging you, even that is the thing, you have faith in yourself, you're believing in yourself, and Kalima is saying that. I feel for you guys, Kalima is strongly working with you, and Kalima is saying you don't have to listen to anybody, all you need to listen is to yourself. And like if you listen to Abraham Hicks, she uses like word vortex. Yeah, I feel like that, your vortex is like, I don't know, I'm getting that word vortex, because it's like you are high in manifestations, your vibration is so high that you can manifest anything you desire, because that is how magnetic you are right now. So keep your thoughts very, very positive, because you can attract what you think. So keep all your faith on what you want to do, on what you want to achieve, because you will achieve. Okay. We have bone collector. Yes, for some of you, you feel like that things have been taken away from you, guys. Maybe in the past you felt like that. Maybe, yeah, I feel like you don't have enough. And this bone collector is saying that whatever is yours will be given to you. Nothing has gone away from you. Nothing has been taken away from you. What is yours is yours. She has kept it safe. Kalima has kept it safely for you guys, and you will receive at the correct time. Okay, so don't worry. Maybe for some of you feel like that, oh, that thing was mine and they took, that seat was mine, that was took away from me. Don't think like that, because what is yours, and that will be given to you. Okay, and keep on, your energy I feel is very good right now. Your vibration is high, I feel like that. So you're in this vortex where you can manifest anything you desire to. So keep on manifesting the things you want to manifest. Work with your ancestors. You're very powerful people. Yeah, I feel like that. You work with Kalima, you're fearless people, but at the same time sometimes your energies get imbalanced. So that is what you need to, maybe you worry about the time when this will happen, or maybe you worry a lot about what other people talk about you. All you need to do is like discard that things and connect with yourself, trust yourself, have utter faith in yourself, have utter faith in divine. And this message is saying that you're so connected to the divine, you're so connected to the Kalima. Okay, so yeah, again we have rare intersection of heaven and earth. Yes, be bold, guys. I don't know, I'm seeing this now, I'm getting this number 4 very strongly. It's about your stability. Maybe you are worried about your own stability, maybe your home life, maybe about your money. You don't have to worry, because there is this, you are being blessed. You are blessed, people. That is what I feel like. Okay, you feel like things have been gone, you didn't receive what you deserved, but remember, you will receive it. Nothing has gone. What is yours is yours. Okay, so that is what I feel for you guys. And you know that with this Master Buddha, increased awareness, deep connection, trust your inner force. So Divine Mother wants you to understand that everything you need is within yourself. You don't have to look out. You don't want anyone else's recognition. All you need to do is recognize yourself. And when you do that, when you love yourself, you will achieve whatever you want in your life. Nothing has been taken away from you. Everything you want, you will get it. Whatever you want, you will get it. And you know it. So all you need to do is trust your intuition. And you will know, I feel like you will get this nudge when you will receive your manifestation, because you're so spiritual people. You're so connected with the divine, and I'm very called out to this rabbit, and rabbit is all about abundance. So maybe you have been working a lot on your abundance. Maybe you wanted to make your finances good, because you have a different career. So do what calls to you. Be authentic to yourself. You want to create finances, you want to create stability, maybe you want to become a millionaire. Trust yourself and do that, but do it for yourself. Do it for yourself. Don't do because you want to show to other people. You don't have to think about that. All you need to do is trust yourself and do what calls to you, what is true to yourself, and you know best what is good for you guys, and do that. Only trust your heart. You don't want anyone's you don't want anyone else's advice right now. All you need to is trust yourself and go within. And you are a powerful manifestors. Okay, with fire, if you work with fire element, I feel your manifestations will come very, very sooner, because we have a clock also here. So yeah, it's all about timing. I feel, for if you're feeling like you're not getting what you want, it's all about a matter of timing, because you're doing good. Just understand, everything is within you. Everything is within you. There is nothing outside, and you can create your own destiny. You can create your own magic. Okay, yeah, for some of you, I see you have two things. You have been struggling, you have been doing a lot, you have been working a lot, and you feel like that things are not working the way you want. Maybe for some of you, you're feeling imbalanced. Maybe you're feeling that your divine feminine, divine masculine is not in balance, but definitely it's going to be in balance. Everything is going to be in balance. Look at the numbers. We have 2 number, we have 11 number, and it's all sum ups to 2 2, right? Maybe you're seeing number 2 2 2. Okay, so angels are closely working with you, but yes, definitely Kali Ma is with you. Yeah, she is with you. She's helping you to gain, you are going to get the justice. Like I as I told, what is yours is yours. No one can take it away from you. Maybe for some amount of time you feel like that has been taken away from you, but it is safe somewhere. Okay, Kali Ma has, I feel like Kali Ma has kept it safe for you guys, and you will receive at the correct timing. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so yeah, justice is yours. You have the inner wisdom. Keep on following your heart, keep on following your bliss, and just trust yourself right now. I feel like that. And if you feel like you're not protected, if you feel like you're worried, if you're worried about your protection, don't worry. You are so protected. Okay, that's it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care. Hello group number 4. If you chose this air element, let's see what is your reading, what divine mother wants you to know. The first card here out is Sri Bala. With this Sri Bala, it's telling, believe in yourself even if others don't believe in you. Okay, sometimes we in our life we feel like that we want to do this thing, but our parents, society thinks that we will not be able to achieve it. Maybe you are right now in that position where you want to achieve this thing, where maybe your parents want to do something else for you. Maybe they want you to take engineering course, or they want you to become doctors or whatever, but you want something different. Maybe you are very artistic, maybe your heart is guiding you to do that, right? You have that wisdom. Sometimes I feel like people who are elder, like who are older than us, think that they have so much of experience and they know better than us. But sometimes we know better for ourselves. We know what is good for ourselves, and you are those kinds of people who know what is good for you, what is best for you. So you know it right now. I feel for some of you, you have started working on it. Just keep on following that path. Keep on following your authentic path, because this authentic path of yours will give you success for sure. So yeah, right now you're not getting that public validation. Right now, no one is believing in your ideas. Right now, people are saying, what is she or he doing? Yeah, so don't worry, because divine is with you. Divine Mother is saying, this is your authentic path. Yes, you are meant to go a different route, right? You're not meant to go with the crowd. You're meant to do something different. Maybe in your family, no one has done this thing, and you're the first one to do. And people are like, your family members or people around, your neighbors are like, what is she doing? What are your plans? What are you thinking about your future? Do you have any plans? And you're like, yeah, I know best what is best for me. You know that inside of you, that you have this talent and you want to pursue it. But at the same time, maybe it can be a career path, or maybe it can be your education also, that you want to do a different course. And people are like, no, that is not good, you don't have to do that. But at the same time, your heart is like telling you, go, 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 do that. And that is what you need to do with this Sri Bala. You are young, you don't have that much experience, but it's okay. Just trust your heart and go with it. Okay, yeah, yes, your wisdom is so you have a lot of wisdom. Even if you're young, whatever your age is, I don't know, but definitely I have to say you have a lot of wisdom inside of you. Yeah, you know more than other people, and you know what is best for you. So keep on working on that. Just do what you feel like doing it right now. Okay, so that is the message, strong message here, because you will win the war. Okay, so that is what I feel. Look, blessings of Kumu, no good thing shall be withheld. Yes, no good thing shall be withheld. Yeah, what is yours? What are you planning to, guys? What do you want in your life? You will achieve it. What is your biggest desire? What you want to achieve right now? Maybe you feel like that you don't have the resources, but Divine Mother is saying the resources are coming. You will get what you need. Okay, okay, so don't be in this lack mentality, guys. Get out of it, because whatever you want, universe will provide to you, guys, because universe has your back, because this is your path, guys. Whatever you want to do, this is your path. Understand that this is what you're meant to do. You're meant to follow this path. You came here in this world to do this, right? You came here, that's why you're not meant to do what others are doing, what other people are doing. You're not meant for the corporate job. Maybe you're meant to do something that calls to your heart, that speaks with you, that makes your heart jump with joy. When you wake up, you're like so excited to go to work. That kind of energy I'm feeling for you guys. Yeah, and sometimes you feel like maybe other people are thinking that what foolish thing you're doing. It's not foolishness. It's not foolishness. Just go with it. Don't stress about it. Don't stress about the resources. Everything will be presented to you at the correct time. Okay, because universe has your back, because you're meant to do this. So yeah, definitely you're going to have an abundant life. So trust yourself. Keep the faith can move mountains, right? That is the thing for you guys. All you need to is to tune into your heart, and you will remember that you're loved, you're protected, and you're guided in every moment. Okay, just right now, trust yourself, trust the universe, trust your own path. Do that calls to you, calls to your heart, even though it is not something that your parents want, that is not something your neighbors want. Isn't it? Because sometimes neighbors like to yeah, you know that. So we have Lovers and Eight of Pentacles. Again, it's time to, this thing of yours. I feel for many of you, the path I feel for some of you, it's about your career. I'm getting this vibe of your career, this path, this thing that you want to do is like, this is your soulmate. Can your work be your soulmate? I don't know, but that is the energy that I'm feeling, that you love your work, this thing that you want to learn, or maybe you just love this thing. When you start doing this thing, your time flies away. Maybe you will start in the morning, and you will be doing the work, and you will forget to eat. That kind of work this speaks to your heart. This is your soulmate. The work is your soulmate. You just love to do this work. So yeah, Divine Mother is giving a thumbs up for you guys. Go with it. If you are in this path, if you have a passion, if you just love to do the work you want to do, and you just want, like this person is read, maybe it is something that you want to learn. Yeah, that is you're making a choice. Just go with your heart. Don't trust other people. The first thing is, whatever your heart calls to do, whatever your heart, sometimes that, oh, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to pursue. Yes, just go with it. Don't go with other people's decision, because you will regret it later. So this reading is saying that just go with your heart, work on it. Maybe you will get a little bit challenging period, maybe you will have setbacks, but you're always guided. All you need to do is trust universe and go with it, because this thing of yours will be a success. 100%, guys. Okay. Yeah, education. Yeah, we have 8 of Pentacles. Look, Golden Palace. This thing of yours will give you an abundant life. So yes, for some of you it's like something you want to learn. You want to learn a core, you want to do something different. Maybe you don't want to take engineering, you want to do something artistic, or maybe you want to learn something like esoteric, or you want to learn astrology or something different, and people are like, what are you learning? This is not a valid career. Maybe people are telling you that. So all you need to do is to listen to your wisdom. For others of you, it's like, if it's not about education, it's about your path, just listen to your own wisdom, guys, because this wisdom of yours, because you are teachers, for some of you, I feel you are teachers. You have so much of wisdom inside of you. This for some of you, I feel like you will be teaching and learning. Okay, that is also, I feel like you have so much of things that you have, you know so much about a subject or something. It's time to give it to the world. Okay, it's time to put yourself out there. And if you're doing that already, if you are putting yourself out there, if you have been sharing your wisdom, if you have been sharing the things you love, if you have been sharing the things you have been passionate about, this thing of yours will give you a lot of abundance, lot of prosperity, lot of happiness. Okay, so yeah, guys, you're meant to live in this golden palace where there will be so much of abundance, where you will be like, it's like a dream come true, right? For so many of us, what we dream, if we have a career that we enjoy, then what else we need? We will make money out of something that makes us happy. And yes, you are meant to do that, guys. You're not meant to be in a place where you don't like. I feel for many of you will be doing something, working from home. You're not meant to work under people also. I feel like that you are your own boss. You're meant to do what you love, and this thing will help others also, I feel like. Okay, so yeah, wow, teacher awakens. Exactly, you have something important to share. Follow the inner call, don't let anything stop you. So yes, it's time to trust yourself, trust your heart, go with it. You're meant to live your, you are the one who has to live this life, isn't it? Not others. Other people cannot live for you, right? So don't listen to other people. That is what I have to say right now. Yeah, because your heart, for this pile, yes, your heart is like guiding you to the correct destination. Your heart knows better than others, so it's time to do that. It's time to do what your heart calls to do. And this message is saying that just go, and when you start, then it will be like boom. It will manifest for you so quickly with this air energy. It's a speed energy, right? So maybe for you guys, things are a little bit slow, and you're feeling like whether I should be in this path or not, whether I should maybe if you're sharing your work, if you're doing the work you love and things are not speeding up, maybe it's because you doubt yourself a little bit. So it's time to not doubt yourself, have immense faith. And when you do that, and when you keep on doing the work you love, just keep on doing the thing you love, guys. That is the thing, and you will see the progress. No one can stop your success, no one can. And you know that, as I told you, right now keep on working, keep on believing in yourself, and the public validation from your parents, validation from your neighbors will come later. Okay, so that's all I have for group number 4. Bye bye, take care.